It's a big double-end tenoner. There is an electric box standing by the machine. It's the control system. You can see there is a touch screen on it. It's a work table. It stretches out about 1.3 meters long. In the fitting chair, you can see this one is a stop blocks. It can be pressed down and or stretch out. It comes with some pressure, and the pressure could be adjusted through the screen. The bill can be lifted by motors through the touch screen. This is the machine bed. It's made of casting iron. Now we talk about the working weight system. You can see there are two linear guideway on the bed, and there is a ball screw, and there is a servo motor. Make us get different working weights. You can see there are 4 spindles. First one, 1, 2, 3, 4 spindles. Each side has 4 spindles. Another side also have 4 spindles. So this machine have 8 spindles in total. First, when you, the first spindle is butter spindle, used for saw, and the second is top spindle, used to cut off. The third is a mini spindle. The last one also mini spindle. And we can see the first spindle and the third spindle. Yeah, you can see this is a cylinder devices. It makes the two. The first one and the third one makes the two spindle have the jump count function. Prevent the cutting from breaking. We will give you a short about the whole machine.